Hey, what's up everybody, BMSLou here. A short video today for you guys. New unboxing. I got some help today with my daughter here. We're gonna unbox an item that we recently purchased on Amazon for her. She's been wanting one of these for a while. So we're gonna do a couple things in this video. We're gonna first unbox it. Second, have her show us what it looks like out of the box. We're gonna have her wearing it, and then we're gonna have me wearing it. So a couple different things you could look forward to in this video. As always, I appreciate the likes, comments, and subscriptions on my channel. So check this out. This is called the Comfy. It's an oversized hoodie. With winter coming up, we thought this would be fun. So we're gonna go ahead and open the back of that. She purchased this again off Amazon, and she chose the black Comfy. And there are different types of Comfies. There's some with white Sherpa on the inside, which is not what this one is. So we'll get rid of this box. Oh, that looks nice. Can you feel it? Oh, it feels pretty soft actually. Not as soft as a kitten, but it doesn't feel bad. And then this one does not have the Sherpa. So, well, okay. You want to come over here? Mm-hmm. Hold that up, and I'm going to walk around this way. Just hold it up for us. That's an idea of the size of it. Okay, that's huge. So I wanted to know how this would look on her. It's a one size fits basically all. And then I wanted to see what it would be like on me, because I'm a tall guy. I'm 6'5", you know, about 270 pounds, so I'm a pretty big guy. So we're gonna get an idea what this looks like on both of us. Let's go ahead and get her to put it on so you can see what this looks like. All right, we'll be right back.